by one. Yeah, please introduce.
I'm from Bangkok, Mura. And I want to be my donor for my 7 angels.
My name is UNP
We are going to promote our new album. The title is PPM. You know KD? It's not Kadir or Kadal. It's Dayanti. I'm here to promote my first album, and I will sing a song with the title Pilihlah Aku. So everybody must choose me to be your favorite. Artist. I'm Miano and I'm Tia Tiu. We will not dance and we will not sing a song because we are still processing in doing the cassette. So we continue to the next artist. I still want to be a famous artist like them. Good evening. I will introduce myself. Hey, what is your name? My name is I don't drink salad, man. Yeah. You want to know my name? Pardon? You want to know my name? Yes, okay. I am dressed, ma'am. Oh, the queen of drilling. Oh yeah, I know. You're famous, are you? Yeah, are you famous, are you? Yeah. From Japanan? Yes, from Japanan. Okay, but by the way, let's gossiping about boyfriend, Oh yeah, I like it much. Okay, now I'm interested.
Yes, so.
Hey, it's your. Can you tell me the description of your ideal boyfriend?
Yes, ma'am.
It depends. It depends. Oh my God. On the situation and on the right person. Do you know Ahmad Dhani? Yeah. Although he is far from here, but his duplicate is here. It's here. Please guess who is he?
Oh yeah.
No.
No.
Even better view.
Chris Dayanto.
Of course. Who? Well, he is in class 2C.
2C.
The husband is a man who has friendly skin. And he has a passion, responsible. But the important thing is he can tell any stories, especially funny story. Anyone knows here? No. Okay. Here's Mr. Sugianto.
Rich one? No. Yeah, the one likes Mr. Abi
Rahman.
You know why? CCU is very strong. No, he's not shy. Oh, she's shy? He is shy? Hello, Pak. Abdurrahman? Oh my. Oh my God.
를 보고 있자면 코미디가 따로 없어 이제 너의 잘난 척이 너무 괴로워 뒤를 막고 더는 못 듣겠어 언제나 너의 잘나면서 남을 무시하고 자신은 모든 알고 있는 듯이 Hey what's up 그게 착각하고 있어 내 생각엔 왕자 내 생각엔 왕자 yang selalu harus mengalah bila diputuskan cinta sang kekasih wanita bukan engkau saja yang ada dalam dunia.
I'm so when I turn my eyes go away, I'm going to be